Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious chai tea pumpkin pie. Chai tea pumpkin pie because I wanted to do something different. It was very bold and very flavorful. Alright you guys, these are some of the ingredients. Well, I think it's all of the ingredients that you'll need. Yes, I'm using the canned pumpkin chai. On Thanksgiving, no one's worried about going to harvest the pumpkin, cut the pumpkin, and start over. So now I'm going to be pouring the carnation milk into the pot because you want to heat it up a bit so that it can seep your chai tea. Okay, we already know that the bag ain't gonna seep until you put something warm on it. And I ain't got all day to use the cold milk and wait 12 hours for it to happen. Okay, once it's heated up, I'm gonna add my tea bags to the milk. I'm only using 2. I feel like 3 will be way too strong, but whatever floats your boat. No, it's not whatever floats your boat. I did end up using 3 of them because I wanted a stronger flavor. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. So yes, I pulled out the blender. Now I'm putting the pumpkin into the blender. Ooh, look at somebody's Karen, honey, just looking at me like this. Listen, on Thanksgiving, you just want to make your life a lot easier, and it worked out. As you can see, the pumpkin pie was perfect, okay? To this, I'm also going to add my eggs, my cinnamon, and my rum extract, a pinch of salt that I just added, and then your milk chai mixture down in here. And now I'm just going to blend it all up, and that's the filling. Super simple, super easy. You can't mess it up. You don't even need a measurement. Okay, to be honest, you don't even need an ingredient list to really do this, but I do understand a lot of people do, so it will be in my description box. Make sure you guys, like I said, check it out. Yes, honey, I got the store-bought pan, okay? Pour your mixture in there all the way to the top. You want to pop it into your oven. It's going to come out looking nice and perfect like this. And excuse the lighting, you guys. It turned dark when when I took it out of the oven. I was like, yes, it's perfect, beautiful, everything's great. And then it cooled down and had this big old crack. Y'all, in my mind, I'm just like, Lord, why? Okay, why? What is the problem? But as you can see, it's perfectly cooked. I allowed it to cool all the way down. I even put it in the refrigerator, honey. It was in there for a couple hours, and this is how it looked. First of all, forget how it looked. The smell is ridiculously insane. Like, I'm not even kidding. I know y'all used to people pumping up these recipes. I've done it myself. Oh, we're going to get into that as well. But for real, y'all, the chai, the rum extract, come on. Like, I don't even like pumpkin pie, honey. Now, let's get into this cold foam. Y'all, I saw this in Aldi, and I thought it was whipped cream. As you can see, it does spread and smeared all over. But it doesn't matter. It turned out great, and it was so good. So make sure you get regular whipped cream and not try to show off like me and buy the wrong thing. But thank you guys so much for watching. This pie was great, delicious, creamy, perfectly cooked, not overcooked. And I hope you guys give it a try. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.